In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money makes it easy to log out of your account, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. To do this on desktop, log into the Monarch Money web app and click your profile icon in the bottom left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Sign Out, and your session will end immediately. This ensures your account is no longer accessible from that browser unless you log in again. For added security, especially on public devices, you can also clear your browser's cache and cookies after logging out to remove any saved session data. Keep in mind, if you're a part of a household, other members will still have access to their own accounts unless you remove them from the members' settings. You can also quickly access the logout option using the search bar by typing logout if you want a faster way to exit your account. Logging out regularly helps keep your financial data secure. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.